Hey James, this is Joe. We talked earlier this morning and I'm shooting this video as promised. I just want to point out three things to you in this video that you can do yourself to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, and in return start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So you can build out this awesome business. So first things first, Google loves content, right? Content is king when it comes to Google. So they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone, right? Now obviously very few people are going to read 2,000 words, right? But Google will, and they're going to know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that only has, a couple hundred words, right? That makes sense? So when we scroll, right, Google is reading each of your words on your home page, okay? Up with about 195 words, okay? So I definitely recommend boosting that word count up to that 1,500 word goal. And you can also add in keywords, okay? And keywords are what people are searching for in your area, okay? So once you start ranking for those keywords, obviously you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads that way as well, right? Another thing Google likes to see on ranked websites is big built-out websites, okay? So what that means is the more pages you have, the better, okay? So good job, starting to build out your website, right? I would just build it out a little bit more, right? If you could go into, a little more in depth in roofing and add a couple more pages that way, that'd be awesome. Same with siding, same with gutters, and so on. Okay. And then as far as on your back pages, Google's still looking for content. They're looking for about 500 to 700 words. Right now, you're sitting at about a couple hundred. Okay, so I definitely recommend boosting that word count up once again to that 500 to 700 word goal. You can also throw in keywords on your back pages, so your back pages are ranking on Google, and that's going to mean that you're going to take up more spots on Google. Okay, so you're going to be easily findable. Okay, so definitely recommend doing those. This is your one competition in the Quad City area. As you can see right off the bat, he has a lot of pages, right? He has a big built-out website. You can also see that his roofing is broken down a little bit more in depth, right? So yeah, right, a lot of back pages. And how many words on his back pages? He's looking at about 500 to 600 words. Okay, so to beat him in this area, you're going to want to do 600 to 700 words. Okay, and then as far as on his homepage, he's sitting at about 400 words on his homepage, so very little content. So if you throw in that 1,500 word goal Google likes to see, you could easily outrank this guy on his homepage, right? So that'd be awesome. Moving on to the second thing I want to talk to you today about is going to be the map pack, right? Everybody knows what the map pack is, all right? And there's only 3 spots available in the map pack, right? Unless you run an ad. So I definitely recommend getting to the map pack, right? Because obviously you're going to start getting a lot more calls, a lot more leads, right? Which leads into revenue. So we definitely want to see you here in the map pack. And how do you get to the map pack, right? A lot of high star reviews, okay? Good pictures and a good business description with keywords, okay? But the main thing that's going to help you get here is going to be citations. And your citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. Okay, and those websites are, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, and bbb.org, right? Just to name a few. There's hundreds of them out there up for grabs. So I definitely recommend going out there and grabbing a whole bunch of them. Building your Google My Business so it's ready to rank number 1, right? And then lastly, backlinks. Okay, backlinks are super important. This is what's going to help you rank to the top of Google. And if you have good quality backlinks, it's going to help you rank there a lot faster. Okay, and then what are backlinks? So backlinks are basically a popularity contest between different websites, right? So if you have more websites pointing back to you through backlinks, Google thinks you are a credible source, so they're going to bump you to the top, right? So that's why you want to go get good quality backlinks to point back to you. Okay, so as you can see, your competition has 67 websites with 538 backlinks pointing back to him, right? So he has good credible power right now, and because he also has 138 keywords, right? Remember, keywords are what people are searching for in our area, so you definitely want as many as you can get on your website. Not all are created equal. Some have higher search volume than others, and some are easier to rank for. Okay, so definitely keep that in mind when hunting for keywords. If we come over here and look at your information, right, you can see a big difference. Okay, you only have 7 websites with 23 backlinks pointing back to your website. So compared to your competition, Google thinks you are not a credible source, so they're ranking you, towards the bottom, right? Same with the keywords. You have very little keywords you're ranking for, so very little search volume is coming out of there. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to show you today, was those 3 things that you can do, super easy. If you have any questions on how to implement those things, or want any help, go ahead and call or text me at 515-468-3039. I'll call you tomorrow just to make sure you receive the video. And if you have any feedback, that would be awesome. So thanks for watching and have a great day.